Well, hello everyone. I got microphones. I've been watching different YouTube people that say that if I want good quality sound, then it's best to have microphones. And a few people have said that they couldn't hear me on my videos. So I'm hoping that, I didn't get the top of the line. I could have got a more expensive one. But uh, here's the microphone, and the receiver goes in the side, and I'm using my tablet right now. I'm hoping that I can use my tablet uh, to try to get these done. And right now I've only been doing shorts, and because they're shorter, a lot of people have things to do and stuff, and they don't have the time to sit down and watch 15, 20-minute videos. And I want to get my point across quickly. And so they've got time to do what they want to do. So this is this has been tedious for me today, since I've not really been feeling all that well today. And I did want to get out and go someplace, but my leg was really bothering me. I did walk up to my daughter's house and visited with my grandkids and my great-grandkids and my daughter and son-in-law. So, and my oldest great-grandson. Uh, didn't get to talk to him much, but he's a teenager, and you know how that goes. He used to come down and sit and talk to me when he was much younger, but he's in the working world now and trying to figure out his life through jobs and how people treat people when you work for them. So anyway, hopefully now that I can get this upload to YouTube. So, but I just wanted to see whether or not it was going to be loud enough for y'all. And I haven't figured out. I've got it far enough away from me, but I'm gonna have to pull it over to me to shut it off. So, I know that this is supposed to do, if I want to turn it on, it's supposed to automatically record, but I don't know if it's going to do that or not. So I've learned enough today. I do have it working. I do know that much. So anyway, hopefully you can hear this. Remember, if you believe you can, if you believe you can't, you're right.